the Coinbase app is really easy to do. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you need to have the Coinbase app. So if you don't have it, download it and get an account. And once you have the app, you simply want to open it like so and go into the search bar in the top middle of the screen where you simply want to type in SHIB, which is the abbreviation for the coin, and you click on the top option. Don't get it confused with these other scam coins down here. Just make sure you're clicking on the one that you actually want to click on. And as you can see, we can filter the date range of this actual coin, and if you want to buy it, you simply click on the bottom left hand corner of the screen, buy and sell. Click on the buy option and you can enter in the amount you want to buy. Let's just say we want $10 USD or 10 Shiba Inu coins. You can simply type that in like so. And from here, you click on the pay with option, and you can either pay with Apple Pay or you can pay with another payment method at the bottom middle of the screen and click on bank account, debit card, or PayPal option. Let's just say we want to pay with debit card. So you click on this. Simply type in your address and debit card info and add your billing address like so. Now, once you've actually added your payment method of choice, you can even pay with other currencies, crypto you have in this app like so. You click on review order and you can simply buy this currency just by clicking on the buy now option in the bottom middle of the screen.